So, it's the first winter since I got the Tesla, and it's the first snow, as you can see, since I got the Tesla, and it's the first night with the snowfall since I got the Tesla. So let's see and check how the Tesla can handle this freezing morning. It is currently -1, but it was between -3 and -5 during the night. So here's the car. Yesterday evening I parked it, and there was a little bit snowfall since then. The car was warm, so I expect it to be frozen underneath. I also have the charger connected for the night. The car was asleep, so there was no need for any battery heating or anything at all. The car is completely dead now. So let me open the Tesla application now. So here's the Tesla application. You can see the car was asleep. It's currently waking up, and check that inside temperature of the interior is 0, exterior -1. So before I start trying to clean anything, I will just switch the defrost car button, and let's see what's going to happen. Defrost. We can see the windows heaters are up, both seat heaters are up and running. The temperature is too high. I will set it to something lower so we don't put additional stress to the climate system. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, but the car is currently, the compressor is ramping up. Car is completely frozen. So let's see what's going to happen. Meanwhile, let's see if the doors are frozen. So I haven't touched anything, and okay. No, I don't want to do that, but this, oh, it's very warm inside already. I can feel it. So let's try to clean the snow. Also, we can see that the glass roof and the back glass is already melted. Also, the interior side windows are also melted. The mirrors are also melted. So it's very easy. You can see the snow is just falling off by itself. So cleaning this vehicle is actually very, very, very easy, and maybe the only area that it's not being heated, it's right here between the two panes of the glass roof. Frunk, it's not melted because there's no engine there to melt it. Headlights, not melted, but no problem. But yes, all of the side windows and the front and rear windows are very easy to clean, even before getting into the car. So I'll now clean the entire car. So the now car is pretty much clean from the snow. Let's see if the mirrors are going to open, because I noticed that there's some ice here, and I'm not sure if the mirrors will open. The glass itself is clean and dry, but yeah. Okay, this handle is currently a little bit frozen. So there are two options. One of them is to punch it a little bit in the opposite direction. This is the official Tesla, by the Tesla manual. The unfreezing procedure is just to do like this, and then it's opened. But yes, we can currently see that the mirror is not... it's now unfrozen. What about the other side? The other side is open successfully. You can see that there's some ice here. Maybe this area here is not it's not heated at all, and let me try to walk the vehicle and then unlock it again. I'll do this from the Tesla app. So here is the Tesla application. Walk, the mirror is folded, unlock, the mirror is open. So I had this issue with pretty much every car I had so far. Nothing surprising. I remember that on the VAC, at least on the VAC cars, there's less space here between the mirror and this part of the door, and less snow was accumulating here. But on the Tesla it seems that, and not snow but ice most importantly, is accumulating here. This is the only complaint that I have from this car so far. You can see the car is currently using mains power and heating from the mains power. So yep, no issues so far. And inside it's very warm. The car is ready to be driven, the seats are heated and so on. One of the other options, if the doors any of the doors does not open, is to use the enhanced sexy application or the Tesla application itself. You can open the door from the phone, so you don't need this handle at all. The door can unlatch from the phone. But this time this was not necessary. As I said, if the handle is frozen, you give it a little bit of a push in this part. You can see how it's actually moving just a little bit, just enough to break the ice in this area, and then you can directly just open it. So, thanks guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful for someone. If you are planning to buy a Tesla, or you just want to see how the EV handles the winter, this is not the harshest winters, of course. We'll check it once again, the behavior once the temperature, let's say, below -10 degrees Celsius. I don't expect anything critical to happen. We can see the BMW at the back. It's still not cleaned up, so that's the next car now. So, thank you for watching. Bye.